What's going on, Print Fam? If you're new, I'm Cam. Welcome to the Print Life. So anyways, so today's video is a continuation from last week. In the first video of the series, we printed this back graphic, and what I was gonna do was stitch out a huge embroidery patch and then heat press it on the left chest like that. And then I printed it out and I laid it on the shirt and I was like, nah. So what we're gonna do instead is we're going to make a patch to go on the left sleeve, the right sleeve, and then I'm going to screen print this graphic on the left chest. I know that you're just tuning in. Do us a favor and punch that like button right now to help us grow this channel and get our view count higher, man. I'm just getting back into this thing, so I need all the help I can get. As per your recommendations in the comments, I got set up with some Mighty Hoop goods. This is the, I think, 7.5 square, and then this is the 5.5 square. Everyone who's used these is like unanimously agrees that once you go with the Mighty Hoops, you never go back to traditional crap. It does seem worth it, but them hoops, whew. What do I need to do? So we're gonna go File, Machine, and Load Design. The only thing now is because the stitches were so dense on that satin stitch, it looks like this thing is over perforated. We'll see if it holds in there for the remainder of the job. Now we need to figure out how to apply the adhesive backer to this so that it can be heat pressed on the shirt or the jacket or the hat or whatever. What do you call it again? I can never remember the names of these things. The carrier, it perforated so badly that the patch was almost falling out from that wash away carrier sheet. So that's a problem. I don't know if I need to reduce the density on this, but what I think I'm going to do on the next one, after we heat press the adhesive onto this, is see if I can make the border stitch less dense, and maybe that will prevent it from knocking out. I don't know for sure, but we're going to try that and just see. Paper's facing up, patch facing down, and I don't know if I need to use this, but we're going to use it anyway. So it says to do it at 320, but we're at 308. That should be good. Okay. Oh shit, stuck to the thing. Yeah, ow hot, ow hot. Okay, so the patch is now adhered to this paper, which means the glue seems to have stuck. I got this. I got it. Oh, we're almost there. I don't got it. I don't got it.
Just cutting stitches right now. Oh, I am. I definitely am.
Now we're gonna pull the backer off.
I got it. I got it. I got it. Yeah, I did it. All right.
So there we are. We got the adhesive backer here. So that is a finished patch, but as I was die cutting around it, I think I sliced some, maybe not. It's pretty cool, right? All right, that was round one. Now I'm gonna go back to the design shop and I'm gonna make some adjustments. I think I'm gonna do the tack down stitch, but I don't think I'm gonna do the outline stitch on the wash away carrier sheet backer. Dude, somebody help me out. It's called stabilizer. Get it right. Remember this. Stabilizer. The dudes at Melco told me 1,000 times. I can't remember. It's ridiculous. Anyway, I'm not going to run the outside stitch, so I'm going to load the hoop with the wash away carrier sheet. Then I'm going to put the fabric down on top, let it tack it down, applique, cut around it, and then start the satin stitch. That's what we're going to do. So I got to remove a step. So as you can see, I'm running the inside first. And then it's going to do the tack down stitch on the outside. I'll pull the hoop, cut the fabric, load it back up, and we'll do the satin stitch. Why did it run them both, dude? God damn it.
That makes no sense. Now I can snip really hard on that line. Maybe this will be all right. Because now I feel comfortable cutting right up next to it. All right.
Okay, should be able to tear that out. Boom. I saw Matt doing it on Mikey Designs, so we're gonna try it and just see. We ain't scared of doing things the wrong way around here until we learn the right way. One of the things I saw happening though is, like, you know, when it lays down the first thread, it has the thing hanging out. Like, it ends up tacking down colored threads underneath the thing, and it's not a huge deal.
Like this pink right here just don't look clean, and this purple don't look clean neither. Yeah. All right.
Yeah, it looks pretty good. I think we're getting closer. So I still have to go about printing the left chest. I got to print that here. So what we're going to do is we're going to put the patch on the right sleeve. Just chuck this on over the regular t-shirt. What size is this? That's gangster shit. This is something that like Echo Unlimited would have done back in the day. Some of the 90s and 2000s streetwear brands, this is the kind of shit they would do. I'm digging it, man. It's rad as shit. Now, we gotta get the left chest printed up. So I have about a dozen, actually I got about 2 dozen more of these patches that I gotta run off. I'm also waiting on another batch of, I think, 18 just of these safety green shirts. I'm gonna print the backs of the rest of them. Then I'll switch over to the left chest and we'll do the left chest, and then this project will be complete. I'll do one more follow-up video once it's all done up. And then in that video, we'll also move on to our next project.